Welcome to Cognitia Podcast.
Welcome to another episode of the Cognitia Podcast, where we explore how enterprises are evolving through technology, leadership, and innovation. I'm your host, and today we are diving into a topic that is not just important, but essential in the age of artificial intelligence. Our focus today is responsible AI adoption in enterprises. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. From automating routine processes to enabling advanced analytics and decision-making, AI is becoming a foundational element of modern enterprises. Organizations are investing heavily in AI to drive efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and gain competitive advantages. However, as AI becomes more embedded in business operations, a critical question arises. How can organizations ensure that AI is used responsibly? Responsible AI adoption is about more than just implementing technology. It is about ensuring that AI systems are ethical, transparent, accountable, and aligned with organizational values. It is about building trust in AI-driven systems. It is about ensuring that innovation does not come at the cost of fairness or integrity. Let us begin by understanding what responsible AI adoption truly means in an enterprise context. Responsible AI adoption refers to the practice of designing, developing, and deploying AI systems in a way that aligns with ethical principles, regulatory requirements, and societal expectations. It involves a commitment to fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, and security. Unlike traditional software systems, AI systems learn from data and evolve over time. This makes them powerful, but it also introduces complexity. AI systems can produce outcomes that are difficult to predict or explain. They can unintentionally reinforce biases present in data. They can make decisions that impact individuals, organizations, and society at large. This is why responsible AI adoption is critical. One of the foundational pillars of responsible AI is fairness. Fairness ensures that AI systems do not discriminate against individuals or groups. However, achieving fairness is not straightforward. AI systems are trained on data, and if that data contains biases, the system will reflect those biases. For example, if a hiring algorithm is trained on historical data that favors certain demographics, it may continue to produce biased hiring decisions. This can lead to unfair outcomes and reputational risks for organizations. To address this, enterprises must implement processes to identify and mitigate bias in data and algorithms. This includes using diverse datasets, conducting bias audits, and continuously monitoring outcomes. Another critical aspect is transparency. AI systems often operate as black boxes, where the decision-making process is not easily understandable. This lack of transparency can reduce trust. Stakeholders, including customers, employees, and regulators, need to understand how decisions are made. Transparency involves making AI systems explainable. It means providing clear insights into how inputs are processed and how outputs are generated. Explainable AI helps organizations build trust and ensures accountability. Accountability is another key pillar. When AI systems make decisions, it is important to define who is responsible for those decisions. Organizations must establish clear accountability structures. They need to ensure that there is human oversight. AI should augment human decision-making, not replace responsibility. Accountability also involves having mechanisms to address issues when they arise. Organizations need to be prepared to investigate and resolve problems related to AI systems. Privacy and data protection are also critical components of responsible AI adoption. AI systems rely heavily on data. This data often includes sensitive information. Organizations must ensure that data is collected, stored, and used in a secure and compliant manner. They must adhere to data protection regulations. They must implement strong security measures. They must ensure that individuals' privacy is respected. Failure to do so can lead to legal consequences and loss of trust. AI ethics provides the foundation for responsible AI adoption. It defines the principles that guide how AI systems should be used. These principles include fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, and security. Organizations need to embed these principles into their strategies. They need to ensure that ethics is not an afterthought, but a core part of AI development. Ethical AI frameworks help operationalize these principles. These frameworks provide structured guidelines for implementing responsible AI practices. They include policies, processes, and tools that ensure consistency and control. For example, an ethical AI framework may include guidelines for data usage, model development, testing, and deployment. It may include processes for monitoring and evaluation. It may also include mechanisms for reporting and addressing issues. AI governance is another essential component. AI governance involves establishing structures and processes to manage AI initiatives. It ensures that AI systems are aligned with business objectives and regulatory requirements. Governance includes defining roles and responsibilities. It includes establishing oversight committees. It includes implementing policies and controls. Strong governance ensures that AI is used responsibly and effectively. Leadership plays a critical role in responsible AI adoption. Leaders set the direction and priorities for the organization. They need to recognize the importance of responsible AI. They need to allocate resources. They need to support initiatives. They also need to foster a culture of responsibility. A culture where ethical considerations are valued. A culture where employees feel accountable. A culture where transparency and trust are prioritized. Workforce readiness is equally important. Employees need to understand both the technical and ethical aspects of AI. Organizations need to invest in training and development. They need to build capabilities in AI, data science, and ethics. They need to ensure that teams are equipped to implement responsible AI practices. This includes not only technical teams but also business leaders and decision makers. Let us now explore the challenges organizations face in responsible AI adoption. One of the biggest challenges is complexity. AI systems are complex and constantly evolving. This makes it difficult to fully understand and control them. Another challenge is the lack of standardization. AI ethics and governance are still emerging fields. There are no universal standards. Organizations need to navigate a rapidly changing landscape. Another challenge is balancing innovation with responsibility. Organizations want to move fast and innovate. However, responsible AI requires careful consideration and governance. This can sometimes slow down processes. Organizations need to find the right balance. They need to ensure that innovation does not compromise ethics. To address these challenges, organizations need a structured approach. They need to define clear objectives for responsible AI adoption. They need to implement ethical frameworks and governance structures. They need to invest in technology and talent. They need to continuously monitor and improve their AI systems. Responsible AI adoption is not a one-time initiative. It is an ongoing journey. Let us now look at how organizations can implement responsible AI strategies effectively. The first step is to define ethical principles. Organizations need to clearly define what responsible AI means for them. They need to establish guiding principles. These principles should align with organizational values and regulatory requirements. The second step is to implement governance structures. Organizations need to establish oversight mechanisms. They need to define roles and responsibilities. They need to ensure accountability. Governance provides the foundation for responsible AI. The third step is to invest in technology and tools. Organizations need tools for monitoring, auditing, and managing AI systems. They need tools for detecting bias. They need tools for ensuring transparency. Technology plays a key role in enabling responsible AI. The fourth step is to build a skilled workforce. Organizations need to invest in training. They need to build capabilities. They need to ensure that teams understand responsible AI practices. Workforce readiness is critical for success. The fifth step is continuous monitoring and improvement. AI systems evolve over time. Organizations need to monitor performance. They need to identify issues. They need to make improvements. Responsible AI is an ongoing process. Looking ahead, the importance of responsible AI adoption will continue to grow. As AI becomes more integrated into business operations, the risks and responsibilities will increase. Regulations will become stricter. Stakeholders will demand more transparency and accountability. Organizations that prioritize responsible AI will be better positioned to succeed. They will build trust with customers. They will enhance their reputation. They will reduce risks. They will create sustainable value. Responsible AI is not just about compliance. It is about building a strong foundation for innovation. At its core, responsible AI adoption is about trust. Trust in technology. Trust in decisions. Trust in organizations. It is about ensuring that AI serves people. It is about creating systems that are not only intelligent but also ethical. To summarize, responsible AI adoption is essential for modern enterprises. It enables organizations to leverage AI effectively while managing risks. It supports ethical decision-making. It builds trust with stakeholders. And it ensures sustainable growth. Thank you for tuning into the Cognitia podcast. We will continue to bring you insights that help you navigate the future of enterprise transformation. Until next time, stay responsible, stay informed, and stay ahead in your AI journey.